Come with us to set up our motorhome for an overnight stay on a travel day. We started our trek back east going from Montana to Minnesota. Once we get the RV parked in our spot, the first thing we do is level it. You can see our snap pads here on the jacks. The total drive was over 16 hours, so we split it up and drove about 6 hours the first day. Chris got to work on setting up all of our hookups, including the electric, water, and sewer. Usually on travel days, we boondock in a parking lot, so it's free and we don't have any hookups. But it was really hot and we decided to book a spot in an RV park so we didn't have to run the generator all night for the AC. I always work on setting up the inside. We try to take out as little stuff as possible so that we won't have as much to put away in the morning since we're only staying one night. Even though we've lived in this for 7 months now, it's still always amazing to us that we can go from driving it down the highway to being a comfortable home once we're parked. We have a residential-sized refrigerator and things always move around during travel, so I have to open the doors slowly to make sure nothing falls out. Once everything is set up, Chris can finally kick up his feet and relax with Axel after a long day of driving. I made some kung pao chicken with veggies over rice for dinner. It's so nice to have a home-cooked meal on travel days. After dinner, we went for a walk to get our exercise in for the day.